Unsa ning buckle up?
Please buckle up.
Buckle up.
You better buckle up.
The phrase buckle up has both a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means to fasten your seatbelt, usually in a car or an airplane. Everyone buckle up before we start driving. Figuratively, it means to get ready or prepare yourself for something challenging, intense, or exciting. This project is going to be tough, so buckle up.
Don't forget to buckle up out there and
Buckle up.
Sa atong lingwahe, isuot o ikabit ang seatbelt. Mauna ang literal nga meaning. Ang figurative nga meaning kay pag-andam o iandam imong kaugalingon. Buckle up before we leave. Isuot ang seatbelt, una ta mo larga. Buckle up, the meeting will be intense. Pag-andam na, intense ni nga meeting.